Welcome back students for the third part of our video of chapter 1. Now let's pick up with this, the last point, representative fraction or ratio. This scale is in the form of a ratio. For example, 1 is to 1,500,000, right? And this example states that 1 unit on the map represents 1,500,000 units in real life. Okay, and the digit on the left is always 1, and both sides, they have the same unit of measurement, like it is here, meter here also and meter on the other side also. Next, difference map or different scale maps. Okay, so there are two. One is large scale map and small scale maps. So what are large scale map? A large scale map is one that represents a small portion of the earth, okay, but shows a great detail. Okay, for example, topographic maps and road maps of a city. Okay, they are large scale maps, whereas small scale maps, okay, they represent large portion of the earth's surface, but they do not show much detail. Maps showing continents or the entire world are examples of small scale maps. So now we will study about measuring distance. How is distance measured, right, on the map? The first method of doing that is measuring direct distances. Okay, three ways of doing it. One is measuring direct distances, then is measuring indirect distances, and the third one is calculating actual distance using a scale. So let's study the first one, that is measuring direct distances. For this, first thing that you need to know is that you need to measure the direct distance between 2 points by using a straight line, as they have done it here, okay, with a ruler. Then once you have done the measurement, you use this map scale to calculate the actual distance. And how do you do it? For example, if your measurement is 10 centimeter, okay, I've taken it from the ruler, then the line or statement scale shows that 1 centimeter represents 100 kilometer. Okay, then the actual distance would be 1000 kilometer. 10 into 100 is equal to 1000. And if a ratio scale of say 1 is to 10,000 is being used, and you measure 5 centimeter between 2 points, then the actual distance would be 50,000, okay, which is 50 kilometer. Next is measuring indirect distances. How do you do it? How do you measure indirect distance? Measure the indirect distance first between 2 points, right, by following the actual route, okay, that you would use when you travel by car along the routes. Now to follow that actual route, you can use a piece of string, right, thread, and stretch and bend it between the 2 points that are to be measured by following the exact shape of the road. You will not use a scale or a ruler here. And then what you need to do is, after measuring it with the string, you will mark off the distance on the string itself. Then if you use a line scale, you can place the string on the line scale of the map to work out the distance. And if using a statement scale, you would measure the piece of the string with a ruler. For example, if the string measures 15 centimeter from point A to point B that you measured, then the statement scale shows that 1 centimeter represents 5 kilometer. Okay, you will find that the actual distance will be 75 kilometer. How? 15 into 5 is equal to 75. The last one is calculating actual distance using scale. Now, a particular map shows a scale of 1 is to 5,000. Okay, what is the actual distance if the map distance is 8 kilometers? So this is the question that they have given. Okay, so the question is, a particular map shows a scale of 1 is to 5,000. They have given the ratio. And what is the actual distance if the map distance is 8 centimeter? Solution will be First, let's write down the scale. The scale is 1:5,000. So 1 centimeter is to 5,000 centimeter, it means. Therefore, map distance is to actual distance is equal to 1:5,000. And map distances, they are mentioned in the question, 8 centimeter. So let's assume the actual distance to be a centimeter. Therefore, 8:a is equal to 1:5,000, and the units are in centimeter. Okay, keep this in mind. Then 8 divided by a is equal to 1 divided by 5,000. Then a by 8 is equal to 5,000 by 1. What did we do? We just inverted the fractions. Then 8 into a by 8 is equal to 8 into 500. So we are multiplying on both sides by 8. Then it will come as a is equal to 40,000. Therefore, actual distance is 40,000 centimeter. And if we want to convert it into meter, we need to divide it by 100. So 40,000 divided by 100 is equal to 400 meters. So I hope you have understood the chapter well. Okay. Thank you.